Hello friends, today we will discuss the topic matrices. What is matrix? A matrix is an ordered rectangular array of numbers or functions. The numbers or functions are called the elements or the entries of the matrix. Here I take mn numbers and I want to arrange them in rectangular form, so I arrange them in m row and n column. And after arranging them in m row and n column, I write them inside a big bracket. We can also write it inside a small bracket. Whenever we write a matrix, the matrix is represented by a the matrix is represented by capital letter and its entries are written in small letter. Here I take the entries as A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, AMN. Now A11, A12, 11, 12, 13 or MN, it represent the position of that particular entry. For example, if the entry is Aij, it means that it is an element in the ith row and jth column. So here we have m row and n column. M row and n column. So what is the order of this matrix? The order of this matrix is m by n. The order of the matrix is always, first we will write the row and the next we will write the column. If I arrange these mn numbers in n rows and n columns, then the order of the matrix will be n by m. For example, I have 9 numbers 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 5, 3, 5, 6 and I arrange them in row and column. Then this matrix has 3 row and 3 column. It is also known as a square matrix. Whenever the number of row is equal to the number of column, the matrix is called a square matrix. Now how we can equate two matrix, means what is the condition to say that two matrices are equal. Let A and B are two matrices and A equal to B if they have the same number of rows and columns. So two matrices A and B are equal when they have same number of rows and columns. And every element at each position in A equals an element at corresponding position in B. So whatever be the position of an entry in A, the the entry at the same position in B should be same. So here we have two matrices 1 0 0 1, 1 0 0 1. So they have same order and the corresponding entries are same. So these two matrices are equal matrix. What are the possible order of a matrix having 12 elements? As we discussed earlier, a matrix is a rectangular array of numbers or functions. Suppose I have 12 numbers and I have no idea about the order of the matrix. Then what are the possible order of such matrix? The possible orders are 3 by 4, 4 by 3, 2 by 6, 6 by 2. All the options are correct because in all the options the number of element will be 12. Is some more orders possible? Yes, two more options or two more orders are possible, that is 1 by 12 and 12 by 1. Now how we can add two matrices? Means addition of matrices. If A and B are both m by n matrices, then the sum of A and B denoted by A plus B is a matrix obtained by adding corresponding elements of A and B. So the condition is the sum of two matrices is possible when only they have same order and their sum is denoted by adding corresponding element. Okay, for example, here I take two matrices and I want to add them. So first we can see that their order is same. What is the order of the first matrix? 2 by 3 or 3 by 2? Yes, it is 3 by 2. What is the order of second matrix? It is also 3 by 2. So they have same order. So we can, they have same order. Then we can add them. And how we can add them? By adding the corresponding element of corresponding element means the element at the same position. 1 and 3, they are element at the same position. So 1 will be added to 3, the answer will be 4. Minus 1 will be added to 4, the answer will be 3, like that. Finally we will get the sum A plus B as 4 3 4 0 and 4 3. Now the next is multiplication of matrices. But here in this lecture we will only discuss when the multiplication of two matrices is possible. How we can multiply two matrices, we will discuss it in the next lecture. So the product of two matrices A and B is defined if the number of columns of A is equal to the number of rows of B. This is the condition to have the product of two matrices. If this condition not satisfy, we cannot multiply two matrices. So here I take two matrices A and B and I suppose that the order of A is m by n and the order of B is n by p. Then the number of column of A, which is n, is equal to the number of row of B, which is also n. So the product of A and B or the multiplication of A and B is possible, and the resultant matrix or the product matrix C has the order m by p, where m is the number of row of A and p is the number of column of B. So the product of AB, the order of the product of AB is the number of row of A and number of column of B. Now if A and B are two matrices of order 2 by 3 and 3 by 4, which of the following is correct? Both AB and BA are possible. Is it possible? AB is possible because number of column of A is equal to number of column of B. But if we multiply B with A, then the number of column of B is 4 and the number of row of A is 2. So BA is not possible. So option C is wrong, option A is wrong, and option D is also wrong because AB is possible, but here I write BC, but actually it will be BA. So the correct option is only AB is possible. Option B is correct. One more question depending upon the product order of the product matrix. What is the order of B? If the order of A is 2 by 4 and order of AB is 2 by 3. So the product matrix has order 2 by 3, means the number of row of A is 2, which is already given, but the number of columns of B will be 3. So if I want to find the order of B, so one thing we can decide that the order that the column of B is 3. Now the question is, what is the number of row? What is the number of row? The number of row of B should be equal to the number of column of A, and the number of column of A is 4. So the answer will be 4. The order of B. What is the order of B? 4 cross 3. So option C is the correct option. Thank you.